art lesson today. Today we are going to learn about the elements of art again, and we are looking at the line and shape. We want to look at the relationship between the lines and shapes and the other elements. Now, for example, just to remind ourselves, number one, we have the line, and we say this is the shortest distance between 2 points. And then number two, we have the shape, which is an enclosed area. And then number three, we have the form, which is the overall appearance of an object. Then number four, we have the tone or value, lightness or darkness of a surface. And then the number five, texture, roughness or smoothness of a surface. And then we have color, which is the last element, whereby this is the surface appearance of an object. Now we want to look at, we demonstrate it here, whereby when you look at this side here, we have this line. This kind of line, we call it as a straight line. So lines, sometimes they can be defined as per the way they are drawn. Either if you draw a line from the top to the bottom, like this one here, that is said to be a vertical line. And then you can draw it from left, right, or right to left, that is a horizontal line. Now using the lines, like for example here we have this is a straight line. Then here we have this shape here. This shape here, we call it a square. So this square here, you find that it has two horizontal lines and two vertical lines. And all the lines are straight lines. Now we find that here, from the shape, we develop what we call a form, whereby each side of the form here, as we say, this is the overall appearance of an object, whereby this particular form here, this is known as a cube. So this cube, you find that it has all the sides are equal, and all of them are in the shape of the square. So you find that we have the shape here. And then again, after we have done the form, we look at the value. Some areas are light, like this side it is light, and this area is dark, and then this is a bit lighter. So you find that in this case here, we are trying to show the value, that is all the tone, which is the lightness or darkness of our surface. Now again, we look at this other line here, this kind of line. These are two lines which are known as diagonal lines. So when you join two diagonal lines and a horizontal line, we get a shape which we call a triangle. Now, if you want to develop a form using triangles or the shape of a triangle, we can have this shape here, the triangle on one side and this other side. Then we get a form which is called the pyramid. So this pyramid is made up of triangles. So the sides of the pyramid are in a triangular shape. Then the same as this one here, we have this is a curved line. So when two curved lines are put together,